Hello, I am Cristina and I am so happy that you want to learn watercolor lettering. I am an artist, I live in Spain, and I love both learning and teaching. Watercolor and lettering are some of my favorite things, and when you put them together, the possibilities are endless. I hope you join me in this new class where we are going to learn how to form the uppercase print letters. Then, with those simple letters, we will create colorful and very beautiful cards that you can use in any occasion. This class is perfect for beginners. It's full of templates and instructions that you can follow step by step, and this class will help you to learn a new skill and feel more confident with your brush. The uppercase print letters are the easiest ones to start with, and you will be amazed at all the beautiful things you can do with just that alphabet. You can also watch first my previous class called Painting Simple and Meditative Basic Strokes. In that class, we go in depth into the basic strokes, which are the main pieces that then we're going to put together in this class to form our first alphabet. I can't wait to show you how the magic works and how just out of simple strokes, when we put them together, we can form the whole alphabet. I'm trying to make things easy for you, and also I will provide different exercises so that we can practice different watercolor styles and how to use different colors and create lighter shades. Everything so that your practice is really enjoyable. There is also one class where I show you different ways that you can practice and also then repurpose those pages. So get your watercolors ready and prepare yourself to discover a whole new world of letters and colors.